This is Colton. This is my dog Dutchie, and he has a football in his mouth. And he is a dog who can play football, literally. And this is my face. I'll show you it. This is my face. And now, Dutchie, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Go. Go. Dutchie, go. Dutchie. Dutch. Oh, did you just see that? Did you just see that? He's literally a football dog. Say hi. Wait, just wait. Woo. Oh, see? Are you seeing that? That's my dog. This is no one.